Hello, welcome to my channel, Life Hacks After 50. Remember, everyday simple things can make a difference to the way you look and the way you feel at any age. But today, I'm going to show you how to make my delicious egg salad. Very simple, quick egg salad. So let's get to it. Okay, let's get started over here. It's getting there. Just a few more minutes. This is going to taste so good. Okay, now while the eggs are boiling, I'm going to cut up some jalapeños, very fine, very fine. You can use a small one, small jalapeno, or a medium size, but you want to cut up very fine as I'm doing here. Okay, I'm going to be cutting up some onions now. We're going to do the same thing. I'm going to cut them nice small pieces. And also, I'm growing my own little garden over here. I got some basils, arugula, jalapeno, peppers. Yep, you grow this right from your home. So we're going to be picking up some stuff from here and put it into our salad. I bought this indoor plant system through Amazon. I will put a link at the bottom so you guys can do the same. I am going to be using, I can't believe it's butter. So the reason why I like to put it on the pan grill, because I just like my toast to be just a little tastier with the now I already preheated the grill. It's hot. I get that going, and trust me, you taste the butter. I mean, you can use butter, you don't have to use any butter, but I like to use the butter because just give it a nice, good taste when you bite into it. So we are going to be using the sourdough bread. Now you do have to keep this in the refrigerator because it doesn't have all that preservatives. And to be honest with you, this sourdough only has 3 ingredients. So it has the whole grain, the flour, the filtered water, and the sea salt. See it? See it? There we go. So anyways, let's go back to making the salad. All right. I think it's ready to be peeled. Now some cold water so that I don't burn myself peeling it. The jalapeno, onions, and basils. I'm going to put it in the bowl. Okay, so we're going to I'm going to add a little drop of mustard. I'm going to add a little tablespoon of mayonnaise. Now, I usually use black pepper, salt, just a dab. Just a dab. And we are going to mix it. With a full heaping tablespoon of the egg salad. Now if you want to sprinkle some parsley or cilantro, I'm using cilantro in this case, but you can use scallions, parsley, cilantro. Just take some olive oil, sprinkle right on top. Wine vinegar. Just enough, not too much. It would give a really good. That is so good. You gotta try it. Healthy, really good stuff. Until next time.